Amazon Cloudfront is a fast, secure content delivery network that brings your websites, apps and APIs closer to your audience. It uses a global network of edge locations which can increase performance and decrease latency by caching API responses and distributing them from edge locations closer to users around the world. Now, since Cloudfront can act as the front door for API traffic, it's a great place to add some additional protection, like Traceable's advanced API security. The Traceable platform continuously collects and analyzes your API data, building a comprehensive picture of both your API catalog and of the detailed usage. Data flows, users, events and threats. We capture it all and then analyze it to detect threat actors and security flaws, giving you the chance to spot and block problems before they become disasters. By connecting AWS Cloudfront to Traceable's API security platform, API traffic can be collected and analysed, and when threats are identified, malicious traffic can be blocked to the edge before it gets anywhere near your API endpoints. But as AWS Cloudfront is a highly scalable, globally distributed service, how do you collect and process the API traffic? Well, fortunately, Cloudfront allows you to run custom Lambda functions at the edge, imaginatively called Lambda Edge. Lambda Edge functions are triggered by Cloudfront receiving requests and responses. So, by deploying a traceable Lambda function at the edge and having Cloudfront send details of the request and responses, the Traceable platform can collect and analyze the traffic, and if it's dangerous, block it before it ever hits your API endpoints. And just like Cloudfront, Lambda Edge functions are globally distributed to put the power of Traceable close to where the attackers are.